Well, true to form, Simba and I have been trekking right along, and we're in Ohio still, and we're going over to Worden's Ledges Loop Trail. They're known for having faces carved in rocks. So we're going to go check it out, and we'll see you when we get there. Simba and I are here at the trailhead. We're about to head on in and check it out. So sit back, relax, enjoy the tour, and we'll see you on the other side. And the bark means that we're at the end of the line, which also means that it's biscuit time for the little guy. Are you ready for your biscuits? Stay. Good boy. You did a good job, bud. We hope that you enjoyed our tour. Be sure to like and subscribe, and remember, your support goes directly to Simba's Hikes for Biscuits Fund, where your likes can turn into big, big biscuits for Simba. We'll see you next time, travelers.
Chasing sunsets and paw prints across the country. That's life on paws and wheels.